Popping in your house gets out. While flipping a house in Chicago, a woman found this creepy clown doll wrapped in a disturbing painting of itself. She took it home and immediately began losing sleep. Well, she reported hearing mysterious popping sounds around her house at night. But one night, she wakes up to a man with twisted arms standing at the edge of her bed, the cracking man. They both recoiled in fear as the man retreated. His body emitted the same popping noise that she had heard on the previous nights. Convinced the doll was responsible, she donated it to Dana and Craig Newkirk, who own a traveling museum of the paranormal and the occult. Well, Dana and Craig kept the doll in their house too until they started hearing the popping at night. But what do you think? Could you live with this doll in your house?